Hey everyone! Today we're gonna make some toys for the chickens. I'm really excited. Siebrigje have some designs on the internet. She found them and we're gonna make them. Or, well, try. And then we're gonna see if they like them. Do you want some toys? Yeah? You want toys? I don't know if you have seen our shorts, but now we know that the chickens can jump. It's so funny. If you haven't watched it, please go watch it because it's amazing. It just makes me happy every day.
So for the chicken toys, I thought to make a little staircase with a swing on it. So they can go on the swing, but they also can hop on the staircase and sit there just enjoying themselves and just getting some exercise. First thing, we need some wood.
So now that we have all the stuff, now it's only making it.
Yeah.
Where are we gonna start?
Which ones do we have to use the staircase and which ones do we have to use the
That was to be the shortest thing. And these for the staircase.
For long?
Yeah, the long,
Yeah, and these are sides. Is that the swing?
this for the staircase.
No, that's the swing.
This one's the swing.
Alright. First, we make the staircase.
Yeah.
We don't have an actual plan, so we just figure it out on the way, and we will see what it will bring us.
The last part.
You think building in summer clothing and flip-flops is a good idea?
Nope. I mean, it's also 36 degrees, so
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like I'm picking up rocks or something that I can drop on my foot that's gonna break my foot. It's wood, yeah. It can drop on my toes and it will hurt, but it doesn't break my foot, so it's not nice. But I'm accepted that risk, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, gonna make the stairs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You found the good screws?
Well, I have enough of these screws. Only
They're too long?
with some of them, there could be a possibility that the point is going through it. So.
No, that's not good.
No, that's not good.
That's gonna hurt them.
Yeah, I know. So
Our little babies can be hurt.
no, we have to find something else. They really have to jump to get on it.
They can jump.
It didn't. It's not the same.
The floor isn't the same. I saw some videos now that people are saying like, please show the realness of homesteading, and it's not all pretty and it's not like on the pictures, right? It's just going with the flow, recycling what you have, and it's not that aesthetic and pretty, but it's just a way of living.
It's a way of living and not the
Pretty pictures on the internet.
No,
And this
not.
is example of it. Like, we don't have any building experience and just thinking we can make it.
Maybe it's a little bit far.
No.
No? You don't think it's far?
No.
So when it is so hot outside,
They need, what's it called in English?
I don't know, they need some shade.
Umbrella?
A big umbrella. Yeah. Power. Nice. Good work. Happy?
Yeah. It's nice.
Was talking to the chickens, but
Oh. Oh, huh? Kijk, ze zijn samen. It's coming.
they're friends.
Yes, in secret.
In secret, they're friends.
They're secret friends. She's sitting,
Oh,
but I see an egg under her, but I leave her.
yeah. Alright, let's continue with the chicken toys building. Where were we?
Her whole life is centered around the chickens now.
Yeah,
You agree?
yeah, it is.
I wake up in the morning and I go to the chickens, give them food and check on them, and then all day long, after a few hours, I gonna check on them again, and then I give them some food and cuddling.
Yeah.
All day I'm walking to the chickens and look at them.
Every time we don't have anything to do, we're like,
I'm gonna take a look with the
I'm
chickens.
gonna take a look with the chickens. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Yeah, it's nice. It's fun entertainment.
Yeah. Easy entertainment. Just watch them for a time and you're
Yeah.
like,
They're so cute. They're so cute. And then I get cuddly chicken out of her coop, and then she can free range with me when I'm sitting, and then I'm all watching her.
Knuffle gets special treatment.
Yeah. I'm sorry for the rest of the chickens, but if you allow me to grab you and hold you, then you get special treatment.
Oh.
Yeah. We're gonna finish this.
Yeah.
We're now gonna make a side beam on the ground. It's already looking so cute.
Okay.
I'm really excited.
Okay. It's finished.
And it has a swing.
Yeah.
I think it turned out amazing.
Yeah?
Now we're gonna test it with the chickens.
Yeah, let's test it. Oh, I'm so excited.
Me too. I hope the chickens are excited as we are.
I think they're gonna use the swing a lot. And this a little bit less. Maybe we're gonna put some in
Extra.
between because it's a little bit far of a jump, but
I don't know.
we're gonna see.
And a positive part, we can lift it. So we can
Transport it somewhere. They're not doing anything with it.
take some time.
You're gonna put them on the swing? Oh, he's on! Oh!
No, Mom, no!
This is weird.
Let them get used to it and then we try again.
Yeah. We didn't expect them to be like instantly, oh, let's go on the swing or let's go on the stairs. So
No, it's not like they're kids or something.
no. So
It's not like you tell them, we have a present for you, and they're getting all excited. No, they're just like, it's hot and you're in my coop. So
Yeah.
what's happening?
what's
Fuck.
this? All right. So it's been a little bit, and we haven't really seen them try the swing or the stairs.
No,
It's the end of the day, and it's
it
just
takes some time.
yeah. All right, that does it for this video. We will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. She's just playing with you.